Welcome friends, I am Muhammad Tahir Ahmed, your online instructor. So friend, as you know that we are making this contact form. So once again I press enter and come down this input tag and I make one more div and I close this div. Keep in mind that we are making all these divs inside this form. This form tag is closing here and all the work is doing inside the form tag. So friend, once again I will make a label tag inside this form, and inside this label tag I will write how did you find us, and I will close the label tag. So I will also give a class to this label tag. Class is equal to double quotes, and I will give it a name to this class, find/us, and I also use the for is equal to the same find/us. Control S to save. So now friend, once again I come out of this div and here I will make the select tag. I make the select tag and I close this select tag down, and inside this select tag, you know, the option tag is used, option, and option close, and inside this option first I will duplicate it 3 times, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So inside these options I will write friends, here I will write search engine, advertisement, and I write social media. So friend, now I will give some values to it. So first of all I write value is equal to double quotes, and I write here friends, value is equal to search, is equal to add, and I come here value I write here other. So I come here and refresh this page. So friend, you are watching that in this way all these options are showing: social media, advertisement, search engine and friends. So I come back here and go out of this select tag. So friend, I will make one more div right after the select tag where the select tag is ending. So I press enter and close this div, and inside this div once again I will use the label tag and I will write here newsletter. So friend, now I come out of this div and I make some input, one input tag. Once again, input type is equal to checkbox, and I give it a name, main it empty, or you can give any name to it, but here I write checked, and I write yes column please. Control S to save. So now friend, I press enter, and here I make a text area tag, text area, and I close the text area in this way. So inside this text area, I use it as attributes, name is equal to message, come out of it, placeholder is equal to double quote your message, control S to save. So now friend, once again I press enter to come out of this text area, and I make one more div, and I close that div down, and here once again I will make a label tag, label, and I just make here a space and NBSP. This tag is used semicolon to close for making a space, and I close the label. So now friend, I come out of this div, and once again I make one more input tag, input type is equal to, first of all I close it, this time I give it submit, class is equal to double quotes sent slash it slash submit, and I give it a value is equal to sent it and explanation sign, space, control S to save. So friend, now I go to my Chrome browser to see that what's happening here. I refresh this page and you see that this form is showing in this way. This is the sent it button, this is a text area, option tag, and all this text. So friend, we have created this form. So in next video I will go to my style.css page and I will stylize all that form. So first I would like to tell you that I have made some classes inside this form. This is the contact form starts. So first class is contact slash form, and then I come down contact slash form is the first class, So friend, this is the only class. So I will come and call this class inside my style.css and stylize it.